Today's lesson, Relating Multiplication and Division, is the 7th lesson in Topic 1 of 4th grade Envision. The guiding question for this lesson is, how are multiplication and division related? The vocabulary for this lesson is as follows: inverse operations, fact families. Please write these terms down and their meanings in box 1 of your homework sheet. So let's begin. Problem-based interactive learning. How would you use counters to make an array to show 2 times 6? How many different multiplication and division sentences can you write to represent the array? You will complete this problem independently now in box 2. You may pause the video. All right, let's begin. I know that I have to draw an array using counters, and counters are circles. So I know that based on my problem, I have 2 times 6, 2 rows of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, so here are my counters arranged to show 2 times 6 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Another number sentence that would give me 12 would be 6 times 2 equals 12. And this number sentence is in the same fact family because they use the same digits, 6, 2, and 12, just like this one, 2, 6, and 12. Now, a carton of eggs has 2 rows with 6 eggs in each row. What division sentence tells us the number of eggs in each row? So now I need to write a division sentence. So I'm going to start with the total when writing a division sentence. So 12 divided by 2 rows tells me that there are 6 eggs in each row. And the other division sentence that belongs in this fact family is 12 divided by 6 equals 2. So the division sentences are the inverse or the opposite operation of the multiplication sentences. So division undoes multiplication, and multiplication undoes division. So this is what we call inverse operations. Now, when we put these together, we get a fact family for the digits 2, 6, and 12. So if you remember the fact family for these digits, you will remember the division sentences if you know the multiplication sentences. Let's look at another one. Each trading card sheet has 3 rows with 2 pockets in each row. How many pockets are on each sheet? Okay, so let's begin by drawing the trading card sheet, which is going to give me a rectangle. And it says has 3 rows. So rows go down 1, 2, 3. And there are 2 pockets in each row. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How many pockets are on each sheet? So here's one sheet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what would be the multiplication sentences that would represent this array? 3 rows and 2, and each one would mean a total of 6 pockets. Or 2 times 3 equals 6. Now, what would be the division sentences that would undo these multiplication sentences. Remember to start with the largest number and just work your way backwards. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. That's right. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And the last one, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And these are the number sentences that represent the fact family for the digits 2, 3, and 6. So if you know the sentences that go along with 2, 3, and 6, you will be able to complete your facts very quickly. Let's take a look at the guided practice examples. There are two problems that we will need to complete for the guided practice. If you know the digits that go along with the fact family of 8 and 32, you will be able to complete this very quickly. So what is missing with 8 and 32? 4. And now we will be able to complete our number sentences because 8 times 4 equals 32. And 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 32 divided by 4 equals, what's the last digit? 8. That completes the family, the three numbers we need. And lastly, 4 times 8 equals 32. Okay, let's take a look at the last one we're going to do together. And we're looking for the digits of this fact family. So I see the big number 54. I see 9 and 6 will complete the digits for this fact family. 6 times 9 is 54. 54 divided by, there's a 9, so this must be 6. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. And lastly, 9 times 6 equals 54. So if you know one of the number sentences, like 6 times 9 equals 54, you should be able to do the division sentence or the other multiplication sentence. Now you will complete 9, 10, 11, and 12 on your own. And I would like you to also, at the bottom of each column, down here, I want you to list the 3 digits that belong in each fact family. And in box 4, please explain how knowing fact families helps you. And if you have any questions or comments or suggestions as far as strategies, please bring those to class tomorrow, and I look forward to working with you.